Mom. Huh? This expired in 2017.
No.
I'm not risking my life.
Cinnamon bread.
No, I don't use it for cooking or nothing.
Mama, it's expired.
That don't matter.
It's expired.
He sees this
Everything.
Stuff, yes.
This is not your house, it's mine, so stop.
Can I just see the expiration date?
What? It's fine. Make a fucking grilled cheese with it. Stop it.
Have you got it? It's not.
No, you are not getting out. Get out of the refrigerator. No more.
August 2018.
131.25.
No, that's
Yeah, and you don't want to take a chance and kill yourself.
Hey, save that. That's perfectly good.
It's expired.
Oh my God.
It expired in 2016.
It's fine. Look, I'll try it right now. You ready? Look. Oh, look, tastes fine.
It's expired.
It's fine.